Welcome, guys. In this video, I will show you how to create a Telegram bot. First, log in to your Telegram account, then search for a bot called BotFather. This is the official bot where you can create your own bot. Go to the search bar, find BotFather, and click Start. After that, click New Bot. It will ask you to enter a name for your bot. For example, I want to create a bot called ComputerBot. Click Enter or Send. Next, it will ask for a username. Remember, the username must be unique and must end with the word bot. I will use computer321bot. Send it. Now your bot is created. You will receive a token which allows you to control your bot. Important: do not share this token with anyone. If someone else gets it, they can control your bot. To view your bot, click the link provided. Here, you can see the bot you just created and customize it as needy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We share the best technology tips and tutorials with you.